A consistent and steady supply of energy is a cornerstone of contemporary life. Interruptions of this supply can lead to failures that put societies, lives and businesses at risk. Enter the Si2-PD, the market-leading next-generation acoustic imager that comprehensively detects and analyzes problems in power grid components and identifies the weak links that can cause critical failures. When an electric component begins to fail, one of the first indicators is sound. In fact, sound usually appears before the components begin to heat up. This sound is caused by partial discharges that signal the harmful flow of electricity and deteriorate components over time. There are several different types of partial discharges, some are harmless while others indicate problems that may eventually lead to catastrophic failures. Early recognition is critical, as corrective measures can then be planned accordingly before critical failures occur. With its 124 microphones, the ultrasonic FLIR Si2-PD acoustic imager can accurately detect signals that partial discharges emit from up to 200 meters away. The device then displays the phase-resolved partial discharge pattern, or PRPD, which depicts the type of the PD. The advanced AI-driven on-device analytics identifies the fault type and provides information of the severity of the fault immediately for in-the-field decision support. The Si2's intuitive user interface and lightweight structure make it safe and easy to use. Thanks to its automated settings, operating the device requires minimal training, enabling its swift and cost-efficient deployment into your organization at any stage of the maintenance cycle. The Si2 also features a 12 megapixels color visual, 8x digital zoom and LED lights to ensure visual details are captured even over long distances and in low-light areas. Before starting an inspection, make sure your device is set into the correct mode and that all the necessary settings are in place to give you the optimal results. We will show you how to do this later on in this video. Charge the battery fully before its first use. Plug the battery into the charger until the LED on the charger turns green. To start using the Si2-PD, make sure that the portable battery is inserted into the battery housing. Turn on the camera by pressing the on/off button on the top of the device. With its improved sensitivity, the new Si2-PD is able to detect partial discharges from up to 4 times further away than with previous generation acoustic images, with distances reaching up to 200 meters. For the most accurate results, we recommend a distance of 20 meters or less. Only some partial discharges are critical enough to cause total failure. The Si2 is able to detect PDs that are 30 times smaller than before, making it the best performing acoustic imager on the market. With the Si2's enhanced multi-source mode, you will be able to detect more sound sources than ever before. This includes critical issues that would otherwise remain hidden. The design of the Si2 has been improved in many ways that provide more robustness against disturbing sound sources in the environment. One of the improvements is that there is no need to set a filter. However, if there are significant noise disturbances in the environment, you can then adjust the filter settings to make certain sound sources clearer than others. Only about 15% of all partial discharges that are detected indicate an impending catastrophic failure. The Si2's on-device severity assessment instantly highlights the PDs that demand your attention. You can adjust screen brightness and zoom in and out with the camera. You can use the multi-source mode to scan a large area quickly and take note of several sound sources, which you can then inspect more closely with single source mode. Note that when visualizing multiple sources, the camera will only analyze the strongest sound source indicated on the screen. When inspecting power facilities filled with electrically charged equipment, being able to detect PDs without contact and from a safe distance is key. With the Si2, you can now extend your detection range to up to 200 meters. To take a snapshot, press the snapshot icon and name it. For the most accurate analysis results, enter the approximate distance, voltage, and component where the PD was detected. The camera may sometimes show you reflections of actual sound sources that can appear at seemingly illogical places, such as in the middle of the floor. In such cases, the sound from the real source bounces off other objects. You can tell a reflection apart from an actual sound source by slowly moving the camera. If the sound source moves with the camera, you are seeing a reflection. If the sound source stays in place, this is the real sound source. Reflections are beneficial in that they indicate sound sources that are not directly in the line of sight, and might otherwise be overlooked. We will now show you how to select the correct settings in Setup Wizard and connect to Wi-Fi to register your device. We recommend doing this immediately after unboxing the device, as your acoustic camera is then ready for use. After starting the device, the Setup Wizard asks you to select, among other things, language, time zone, and location. Connect to Wi-Fi to register and pair your device to the cloud service. After Setup Wizard, pairing the camera is ready for use without any adjustments. To automatically upload snapshots to the included acoustic viewer for further analysis, enable Wi-Fi in the camera settings. The acoustic viewer is a cloud-based platform that enables you to store and retrieve information from captured snapshots from anywhere, anytime. We also have offline software for those who prefer to use it. Si2-PD package contains Si2-PD acoustic camera, user-licensed FTS Si2 plugin, 2 batteries, battery charger, camera neck strap, hard case, printed documentation, USB memory stick, 2-year warranty.